everyone, welcome to Combat Hinge Hardware channel. This is Kiki. If your cabinet hinge has this problem, the hinge will rust. This video will show you our stainless steel material hinge. This, in my hand. This is made of the stainless steel 304 material. And this button is made of plastic. The hinge hold is 4-hole, and this screw can adjust the hinge up and down. You can adjust it easily when you already installed it in your cabinet. This hinge is clamped on tap, like this. It's easy to clip on. Because it's the special material, you can use this hinge in some place like the kitchen and the bathroom. However, with this hinge, we also use the soft close function, like this. It used to vary smoothly and softly, easy to install, and it will not rust. Very beautiful. If you like this, please contact us.